Hey y'all, super excited about the March box. I know you're going to love this one. It is so much fun and so springy. First, I started by using the vanilla paste. I watered it down. It took about 2 coats, and then I just went back and went over spots that needed extra paint. Then I came in with the frame, and I used the Dixie Belle Voodoo Gel Stain in Tobacco Road. I just painted it on and wiped off the excess. And then I took this big chippy brush and dry brushed more of that Tobacco Road stain on the background. And then I took my little sander, went over the background and the frame just to kind of rough it up. I don't like anything to be perfect. And next I just take a piece of cardboard and put some painter's tape down. That just helps keep these smaller pieces in place while I painted. I started out with one of the cups in peony. Isn't that such a pretty pink? And then the middle cup is eucalyptus, my favorite green. And then I came in, the last cup is peachy keen. And I thought these would look good with the pink and the peach separated by the green. And then I just did flowers in opposite colors. And y'all, the bird is so much fun. I did him in couture teal, his little wing couture teal as well. And then I took a skewer and cleaned out the etched lines for the little bird body. Came back in with some bumblebee paste for the beak and the flower centers. And next, I'm using my favorite glue, Type Bond Quick and Thick. And I just paint that on. I started out putting the frame together and let it start setting up while I worked on the accessories. Again, I came in with my sander and went around the edges of all the pieces and just kind of roughed them up a little bit. Don't like them perfect, remember? Now, you do yours. You do you just like you want to. But this is just an idea. So get creative with it and make this yours. And after I sand all the pieces down, I come back with the cloth and just wipe them off. And then next, I add my favorite Distress ink in ground espresso. I just apply that with the little ink dauber. And I go all over all the accessories, the cups, the flower centers, our cute little bird. And I love the distressed look. And now I'm going to start putting everything together, glue the little bird wing on in the flower centers. And then I just start gluing the flowers on each of the cups. And I gave them all opposite colors. And next, what I like to do is just line everything up before I glue it down. Make sure I have it in an area that I want it. Glue it with my quick and thick Type Bond. Then I come in with some Spanish moss and put a little in that top cup with some hot glue. And then I add my bird on and trim up the moss so it's not too crazy. And I went with a really natural color bow with creams and browns and grays. And then glued it on. And then I took 2 buttons, glued them together, and put that in the center of the bow. You can use these buttons however you like. Totally up to you. And then I just fluffed my bow. Hope you love it.